Okay, something a bit different today. I'm going to make you a salad a la Russe. A salad I haven't made or eaten for a long time. But I did go to Birmingham College recently, and the students there, the catering students, made lots of different things. They also made a salad a la Russe, and I thought that is a fantastic thing. Perhaps I can do that in my own way. Invented by Lucy and Oliver in a restaurant called Hermitage in Russia. It feels to me like a really English salad, and I'm going to do it in my style. So this is how we do it. First thing we're going to tackle is the dressing. This is how I make the dressing for that. Classically, that's a mayonnaise. I'm basically going to make a mayonnaise that's a little bit lighter. I'm going to use my blender. I'm going to use a couple of eggs that have been cooked for 5 minutes. So they're still quite soft eggs in the middle, but they're cooked eggs, really important. In there is going to go as well some Dijon mustard. That's kind of my emulsification in there as well. That is pickle liquor, which is 1 part sugar, 1 part white wine vinegar, and 1 part water. In there is going some crème fraiche as well. So eggs, crème fraiche, and the vinegar and the pickle. And then we're going to basically turn that on and then mount in the oil like we normally would with a mayonnaise. In goes some salt in there. And then we're just going to go into there with some straight plain oil, nice and gently. You're creating an emulsion, so a mayonnaise, so not too thick, not too quickly. Okay, beautiful. Right, so that goes into a bowl now, and that's going to be my binding for all of these, which are diced celeriac, blanched in boiling water, and then refreshed in ice. I've used beetroot, but I've used white beetroot because I didn't want the sort of bleed out of the red beetroot colour. So that's white beetroot, again, cut beautifully, and then blanched in boiling water, refreshed again. Those are potatoes, so that's diced potatoes, again, blanched in boiling water. And really important that you cut those potatoes and the celeriac and everything really nice and neatly. That's why I didn't do them. There we go. And then some carrot as well, which I hear is quite controversial, but the sweetness of the carrot I think is really important. In there goes that. It needs a bit of greenery, so in goes the green beans, like that. We're also going to top up that colour with a bit of fresh chopped chives. Adjust the seasoning again, a little bit of salt, some nice pepper as well, nice black pepper. There we go. I have to say, quick thank you to Mr. Phil Howard for this gift of a pepper cannon. It is an extraordinary piece of kit. I absolutely love it. Making cacio e pepe pasta is the one. So in there, now what I'm not going to do is sort of smash that together. I'm going to be really polite in the way that I sort of bind that together. It might need a bit more dressing. But that dressing I've made, this is classically sort of mayonnaise mixed, and I wanted something a bit lighter, so I've added the crème fraiche, I've used cooked eggs. So it is still mayonnaise based, but it's a little bit lighter, almost salad cream feeling of it, which I really like. So that's beautiful. I'm just going to taste that, make sure. Oh, delicious. First thing we're going to do is take an egg that's been cooked for about 5 minutes. Just going to take that off and hold that egg like that. And that egg goes in the centre. And then it's the salad on the outside. I mean, dicing all the veg up is a little bit of a pain. But I think this is a fantastic, what a lovely, healthy, beautiful dish to eat in January. You know, all the lovely root veg, treated lovely, with a nice dressing. Not a salad I've seen for a while. Perhaps I can make a bit of a resurgence of salad a la Russe. So we're just going to finish that with a quenelle caviar. A little bit more of that black pepper on the egg. Season the egg slightly. There you go. That is my salad a la Russe. Enjoy.